Every new customer makes your entire digital ecosystem stronger, but that only works if your data is accurate. In this video, I'm going to talk about the part of the ecosystem that everything depends on: your tracking, your attribution, and the data layer that becomes the brain behind your growth. Nothing in the ecosystem can scale without clean data. Not your ads, not your Klaviyo flows, not your conversion rate improvements, not your decision making. If the brain is confused, the entire system becomes unstable. So let's break down how we build the data layer inside the digital ecosystem. The first thing we do is make sure that GA4 is tracking correctly. We need full precision. We need accurate revenue. We need clean events. We need the ability to see what's actually happening at every stage of the customer journey. So we rebuild the entire structure. Clean purchase events, product views, checkout steps, and enhance e-commerce tracking. Now GA4 becomes a true source of truth, not an approximation. Once GA4 is reporting clean data, we connect the attribution layer. This is where Meta, Google Ads, YouTube, Performance Max, any ad platform we're using all receive consistent, reliable signals about what's actually converting. When each platform gets clean feedback, every part of your acquisition engine gets smarter. The ads start finding better customers, the bids gets more efficient, the algorithm aligns with your real business goals and not guessed signals. This is what allows the ecosystem to scale. After that comes the data layer, and this is where the real magic happens. The data layer organizes everything your store collects: your customer behavior, product interactions, revenue events, checkout steps, everything, into the structured information that every part of the ecosystem can use. Klaviyo uses it to improve segmentation. Conversion rate uses it to identify friction. Ads will use it to find the right audiences. Analytics uses it to measure ROAS and lifetime value. It all loops back together. Now think about what this does inside the digital ecosystem. A customer comes in, the system tracks their behavior accurately. They purchase, that data strengthens your lookalike audiences. They engage with flows. Klaviyo builds richer profiles. Your ads then use those profiles to target people who look like your best customers. Your website uses the data layer to improve user experience and conversions. Every part of the ecosystem benefits. Every part gets sharper and every part grows together. This is why the data brain is so important, because without it, the ecosystem is blind. With it, the ecosystem becomes self-correcting and self-improving. And this is also why brands that ignore tracking get stuck. They scale to a point and then everything stalls. Their ads stop performing, their ROAS becomes impossible to measure, their decision-making becomes emotional instead of statistical. They grow sideways instead of upwards. But when the digital ecosystem has accurate data, scaling can become predictable. You can see exactly where opportunities are, exactly where bottlenecks are, and exactly how to push the whole system to the next level. So that's the foundation of this video. Data isn't just reporting, it's not just analytics, it's the intelligence layer that powers the ecosystem's ability to learn, adapt, and grow exponentially. In the next video, I'm going to take all this accurate data and show you how we use it for conversion rate optimization. Basically how we optimize the shopping experience, improve conversions, and extract more value from every visitor who enters the ecosystem.